Welcome to our channel. Today we're diving into the world of credit scores, specifically your FICO score, and how you can not only check it, but also take steps to improve it. It's a crucial number that affects so many aspects of your financial life. So let's get started. First things first, let's talk about checking your FICO score. There are a few reliable ways to do this. A lot of credit card companies actually provide your FICO score for free, as a perk of being a cardholder. So check your online account or your monthly statement to see if that's an option for you. Another great option is to use a credit monitoring service. Many of these offer free trials that include access to your FICO score. Just be sure to read the fine print and understand any potential subscription fees. Finally, you can purchase your FICO score directly from myfico.com. While this isn't free, it's a direct source and ensures you're getting the real deal. Now that you know how to check your score, let's move on to understanding what impacts it and how you can improve it. Your FICO score is calculated based on several factors, with payment history being one of the most significant. So, the first and most important step is to always pay your bills on time. Set up reminders, automate payments if possible, and do whatever it takes to avoid late payments. Next up is your credit utilization ratio. This is the amount of credit you're using compared to your total available credit. Experts recommend keeping this below 30%. So if you have a credit card with a $1,000 limit, try not to carry a balance of more than $300. If you're consistently close to your credit limits, consider paying down your balances or asking for a credit limit increase. The length of your credit history also plays a role. The longer you've had credit accounts open and in good standing, the better. Avoid closing old credit card accounts, even if you don't use them regularly, as long as they don't have annual fees. Credit mix is another factor. Lenders like to see that you can responsibly manage different types of credit, such as credit cards, installment loans, and mortgages. However, don't go out and open new accounts just to diversify your credit mix. Focus on managing your existing accounts responsibly first. Finally, new credit inquiries can slightly impact your score, especially if you open several accounts in a short period of time. Be mindful of how often you're applying for new credit. Rate shopping for things like auto loans or mortgages within a short time frame usually only counts as one inquiry, so don't be afraid to shop around for the best rates. Improving your credit score takes time and consistency, but by focusing on these key factors, you can definitely see positive results. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel.